Today, let's learn how to actually set up Apple Pay on iPhone. Okay, so first of all, we need to have a few things set up. First of all, we need to have either a prepaid card, a credit card, or a debit card, or whatever card you have available to you right now. Whether that may be an online bank account could also work, something like these applications right here. Maybe PayPal, maybe Cash or Paymaya, or whatever you have available in your country. So first of all, let's head on to our Apple Wallet. So search over here, Wallet. Okay, so here we have our Apple Wallet. Now, in order to actually set this up, all we need to do is to, of course, click on the plus icon and, of course, check if you are qualified for signing up for this application. Now, not everyone is actually qualified for using Apple, the Apple Wallet, and Apple Pay, especially if you know you are not really up to the age, for example, right now to add credit cards, keys, tickets, and passes to the wallet. Look for to add the wallet button in app emails and websites. All right, cancel. So now we actually need to have some apps that are actually optimized for our Apple Pay wallet. This will not work in every country because not actually every country is applicable when it comes to Apple Pay. But you do get some applications over here that are available in your country. Whether that may be Walgreens, Harris Teeter, you could also look their travel and booking applications right here. Eurasia is also here, Air Canada, and stuff like that. Airmim, which is nice, could also add some concert and event films and event applications like the NLB, Eventbrite, and stuff like that. Once you have seen these applications that are optimized for Apple Pay and Apple Wallet, all you have to do is to connect them with the Apple Pay, and you'll basically be connected to Apple Pay because when you search for Apple Pay, it's actually going to redirect you to the Apple Wallet. Of course, alternatively, you could also click on the Apple Wallet in Settings and click on Add Card right here. Now, by doing this, it's going to actually redirect you to the same thing that we've actually seen a while ago, wherein we should actually find an application wherein the Apple Wallet is optimized with. So of course, once you have found the application, you can now freely use Apple Pay with that application and use it with the other features wherein you could actually pay using your Apple Wallet and Apple Pay. Okay, guys, that's it for this story. I'll see you guys in the next one.